Cat milk is for baby cats. Dog milk is for baby dogs. Human milk is for baby humans. And cow's milk is for Gordon Ramsay. What the fuck? How old is he? Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You're asking a question about Minecraft. What do I think about eating Minecraft animals? I'm against all forms of violence. I see no reason why any parent would buy their child a game where they're encouraged to hurt animals. No good can come out of it. We're here for such a short time. It's parents' responsibility to make sure that their children learn from history. Think about the thousands and thousands of years that have passed and all of the lessons that humans have learned that are getting forgotten because we don't go back and learn from history. Also, the present is important. Do your best to help animals, people, and the planet right now. Go vegan. Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how. Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon. Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon. What's in your body? Why are you eating me when you can choose compassion with every bite you eat? Do you want your body to be a garden, or do you want it to be a morgue? If you're brave enough to learn the truth, go to don'twatch.org. Do you want your body to be a garden, or do you want it to be a morgue? If you're brave enough to learn the truth, go to don'twatch.org. Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You ask, what do I think about Islam? Well, I think the same thing about Islam as I do about Christianity or Judaism or someone who is a Unitarian Universalist. What matters to me is how you interpret your religion. If your religion is telling you to strap down baby boy infants and remove part of the tip of their penis for no medical reason, I think you need to change religions. If your religion is telling you that being a member of the LGBTQ is somehow wrong, even though you're not hurting anyone, then I think it's time for you to change religions. If your religion is telling you to eat animals instead of eating plants, when you live near a store and you have an option, change religions. All LGBTQ should strive to be vegan because your pets should understand that human abuse and animal abuse, well, both of these are wrong. So let's share this song and stop eating animals from now on. Yeah, let's share this song and be vegan from now on. Would you rather pay someone to kill or take a cute little vitamin pill? Cyanocobalamin, it's a B12 vitamin. If you take 2,000 micrograms a week, all the cells in your body will win. Let's get a quote from nutritionfacts.org. B12 is not made by plants or animals, but by microbes that blanket the earth. These bacteria grow in the guts of animals, which is why their body and products can be a source of this vitamin. Our herbivore primate cousins get all they need ingesting bugs, dirt, and feces, and we may have once gotten all we needed by drinking out of mountain streams or well water. But now we chlorinate our water supply to kill off any bugs, so we don't get a lot of B12 in the water anymore, but we don't get a lot of cholera either. That's a good thing. Would you rather pay someone to kill or take a cute little vitamin pill? Cyanocobalamin, it's a B12 vitamin. If you take 2,000 micrograms a week, all the cells in your body will win. Be better, be vegan. Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You're asking, what do you think of Liver King? Well, I feel sorry for him. I think that anyone who spends that much time trying to build themselves up to seem like a real man is inside really just like a little boy. And I think that he lacks discipline He can't discipline himself to not eat the bodies of animals. I think he craves attention, and yeah, I just think that anyone who follows him is really not very smart. We all know that eating animals is linked to heart disease, cancers, and that eating more plants is much healthier. So the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated, you can be vegan, and you should.
End speciesism, end speciesism, end speciesism, be kind to the animals. End vegan phobia, end vegan phobia, end vegan phobia, be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah!
Reading your comments today, and here's what you say. You ask, what do you think about the last white rhino? So let me ask you, what do you think about the second to last white rhino? Or the third to last white rhino? Or what do you think about any other animal that's being tortured on the factory farms right now, where the meat, dairy, and eggs come from that you consume? What do you think about those animals? You see, you're trying to point at somebody else as if they are the problem. But they're not. You're the problem. Because you are a speciesist. You are racist towards animals. If aliens came to Earth and really wanted to eat you, would you say, no problem, and let them take a bite out of your mom and dad too? If you wouldn't want aliens to hurt you, then leave the animals alone. Don't eat them, don't wear them, don't use them, or take over their home. Leave the animals the fuck alone.
Go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You write, girl, you just gave birth to her baby. So I'm kind of at a loss for words here, because you're basically saying that you saw the skit of me pretending to be pregnant. You saw the skit where I pretended to give birth to a baby, and the baby came out of me and was this plushy toy, bright pink and furry. And I said, Cheryl, it's a girl, and look how beautiful she is. And I even wrote along the top of the video, she's vegan. Because of course I'm always saying everyone is born vegan. Nobody ever is born wanting to hurt animals. But you actually think this really happened?
Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
Here's a little reminder. Don't be the vegan non-vegans want you to be. Be the vegan the animals want you to be. Speak out so they can be free.
Go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
I'm reading your comments, and it says here that you want to spare the lambs that Gordon Ramsay is about to pay somebody to murder. So what I'm curious about is, why do you care? Why do you care about those innocent lambs? Everybody knows why I care. Because I have moral consistency. I think it's wrong to kill kittens. I think it's wrong to kill puppies. I think it's wrong to kill lambs. I think it's wrong to kill chickens at just 6 or 7 weeks old, which is what you eat. Why do you care? Why do you care about those lambs? It's because you saw them. You actually saw them. I mean, you saw them with your eyes and you saw them with your heart. So do that with all of the animals. All of them. None of them deserve to end up on your plate. Gordon Ramsay should be ashamed of himself, and everyone who supports him should be too. Gelatin is a protein obtained by boiling the skin, tendons, ligaments, and bones of cows or pigs.
Happy vegan, happy vegan, happy vegan Declaration Day.
Reading comments today, and here's what you say. Why didn't you get a rabbit instead of a dog if you don't want to give Bella a proper diet? Maybe if you read my shirt, it'll help. Okay, look, it says, vegan, because hurting others is wrong, right? And there's even a heart there. You see, I don't want to hurt anybody. So I don't want to pay somebody to hurt another animal for mine. I don't think that Bella's life is worth more than the life of a horse, and some people kill animals like horses and feed them to dogs. I don't want to kill another animal like a rabbit, or a chicken, or a cow, or a turkey, or a lamb, and feed them to Bella. You get it? She can just eat healthy vegan food. She's doing great.
Bet you can't tell which dog is vegan. Bet you can't tell. Bet you can't tell which dog is vegan. Bet you can't tell.